Hi everybody, in this video we are going to talk about things to start doing now to grow long healthy hair. We tried to make the lessons as simplified as possible, but we know that you have all this information that you need to process, and maybe you would love to have a list of things you could start to do now while implementing what you have learned little by little. 1. Choose a specific day in your week for your hair care routine. Put the day in your calendar. Put a reminder if necessary. Try to stick to that day for 3 months and then 6 months. 2. Choose the right products and the tools you will use for your hair. Prepare them ahead and have them ready all the time. 3. Choose the protective hairstyles that you will be doing for the next 3 to 6 months. This way you will already know what you want to do with your hair. You can also learn how to make them online or ask someone to help you. 4. Take all the measures necessary to protect your hair from the sun, from the cold, from too much wind, from hot water, when you go to sleep, from hot tools, from certain hairstyles. 5. Eat nutritious food to be able to supply your hair with what it needs to grow. Eat enough of healthy food. 6. Reduce your stress and engage in a healthy lifestyle, sleep, food, exercise. 7. Always be gentle with your hair to protect your strands. 8. Document your hair success and your hair failures. Keep a hair journal. Maintaining a hair journal proves immensely beneficial as it allows you to document your hair journey. Reflect on progress and reflect on the setbacks. Having a hair journal will help you to see whether or not your products and/or your methods are working for your hair. It becomes a personalized guide offering insights into what works best for you. When you create a journal, it's easier to remember what product, combo, or treatment you used a year ago because they are all recorded and listed in your hair journal. You'll know exactly what you did and why you did it. Journals are also useful for tracking hair goals. You can document your hair journey by taking pictures of your hair at different stages and writing down what you hope to achieve. A hair journal is a great tool to help you to be more efficient with your hair care routine and achieve your goal. Know that it is okay and normal if sometimes you feel overwhelmed by your hair and you do not want to deal with it in a certain period of time. It's okay. We all have been there. Remember to take things one by one and little by little, and always remember that most of the time, simplicity is key to achieve great results. You will make mistakes and that's okay. You are learning and improving at the same time.